Hey, so here we are, iX20 versus 14 in speed differences. I gotta say, first off, that the 14 is pretty fast. Okay, so I'm gonna shut these both down, completely down, holding the power down, holding the power down. This one gives you a power off screen right here that you might have seen before. And this one has a power off in the center. Okay, so now they're both down, completely shut down. Give them a second to do their thing. You see those lights go out. 20 went out already. I did that first. And now the 14 will blink and it shut down. All right, so we're going to do a cold boot. That's just the screen protector that's on there. So I'm going to turn these both on. I'll try to do them at the same time, okay? Let's see if I can do it. Okay, so here we are. I'm going to see what happens. You be the judge. And we know the 20 is going to be faster. It's the flagship. But not by much, as you'll see. I think the 20 is going to start up any second. I could have a stopwatch in the distance, but I'm not gonna. There you have it. The 20 is the winner by 3, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000. Wow, 5 seconds. That's not a big difference, is it? Let's see if things are working. Okay, we don't have a throttle kill yet because it takes a second to do.
Throttle active.
There you
Throttle
go.
kill.
See that?
Throttle kill. Throttle active.
Oh, look. There. This one's right on the money.
Elevator mid. Elevator high rate. Elevator mid rate. Elevator high rate.
There we go. Look at that. So as you can see, they both work pretty darn good. Anyways, enjoy your iX series radios. It's great having the 20 and the 14 as my backup.